Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. Hello everyone. Ciao a tutti. Bonjour les coucou. As you already know, this is your girl Adele, also known as Oma. And if this is your first time following on my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. Giving my video a thumbs up will help me produce more better videos. And please share and hit that notification bell to give you the alert each time I post any new video. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you some recipes I came up with. 7 blueberries in different ways. I think 4 or 5. So guys, over here I have with me this is plain yogurt, which I got from the grocery store, and I have a pack full of frozen fresh blueberries, and this is the first one. So I am going first with blueberries and plain yogurt. And there you have it. I poured some water, but I had to let it cool for a while since I took it off the freezer. So I had to let it cool until frost for a while. So the second I'm going with is blueberries and oatmeal. It says Gerber organic oatmeal. So this is the second I'm going with. You can, if you have the opportunity, you can get this is for supported sitter. I got it when I just started feeding her. I introduced her to solids when she was I think 5 months old. So I used just a couple of it, and since then I haven't used it again till now. So this one says first food. For second food, you will see sitter for second food. So this is what I'm going with now. So the third is blueberries and apple. I have to wash, peel and chop the apple into pieces, then blend. So guys, the fourth is blueberries and banana. I am using half of one banana because she cannot finish one full banana alone, so I'm going with half banana. The fifth step, or the final one, which is serving blueberries alone. So I'll blend them and serve just the way it is. Here we are. That is it. That's the final and the last. So these are all the 5 different ways in which you can serve blueberries to your little one. So guys, that was it for today. As we all know, blueberries are packed full of vitamins and minerals to help your baby's brain and to also boost the immune system. Please, if you like my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscription button, and lastly, the notification bell to give you the alert each time I post any new video. Till I come your way, I remain your girl Adele, also known as Oma MJ. I hope this recipe helps you and your baby. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Kamsahamnida. Bye guys.